How to not get banned from Facebook Marketplace. Now, if you don't want to get banned from selling your product in Facebook Marketplace, you should know about the rules and guidelines to do your business in Facebook Marketplace. First of all, you should go into your browser and search for Facebook Marketplace rules and guidelines, and then there will be a lot of links for the article from the Facebook where you can read about the rules and guidelines that you need to follow while doing the marketing on Facebook Marketplace. Now, the most common things that you should not do in Facebook which might get you banned in Marketplace is that you should not list some fake products that you don't have or controlled product in the area that you are trying to sell. And if you are promoting harassment, violence and such things, in those cases your account will instantly get banned. Now, in order to be safe, don't do any of those and follow the rules of Facebook Marketplace, and then your account will not get banned. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.